Hey guys, welcome again to Fun with Maths. Here's another problem. 3 to the power of m to the power of 3 over 9 to the power of m is equal to 81. Find the value of m. So here's the solution. First, let's bring down the given equation. Now for this, we have the denominator, 9 to the power of m. For the base 9, we can write this into a power form with the base of 3. And that is 3 squared. So this is now 3 to the power of m to the power of 3 over 3 squared whole to the power of m equals 81. Next is we have a rule of a power. A to the power of x to the power of y is also equal to a to the power of xy. This means that we can multiply power to a power. So this is now 3 to the power of m to the power of 3 over 3 to the power of 2 times m, that is 2m, equals 81. Next, another rule of a power. We have a to the power of x over a to the power of y is also equal to a to the power of x minus y. So that means that if we divide with the same base, their power will be subtracted. So this is now 3 to the power of m cubed minus 2m equals 81. Next is, if you observe, they have different base, 3 and 81. But for 81, we can write this into a power form with the base of 3, and that is 3 to the power of 4. So now they have the same base, 3 and 3. That means we can equate the power, and that is m cubed minus 2m equals 4. Next is we can take 4 to the other side so that this side will be equal to 0. So this is now m cubed minus 2m minus 4 equals 0. For this, we can apply the grouping and factoring. To group, we can split minus 2m into minus 4m plus 2m. So this is m cubed minus 4m plus 2m minus 4 equals 0. This is the first group and this is the second group. Now we can factor. Now the common for the first group is m. So m times m cubed divided by m, that is m squared, negative 4m divided by m, that is negative 4. Plus here, the common is 2. So 2 times 2m divided by 2, that is m. Negative 4 divided by positive 2, that is negative 2, equals 0. Next, for m squared minus 4, we're going to write 4 into 2 squared so that they will have the same power. So this is 2 squared. Now, this is an identity. We have a squared minus b squared, which is also equal to a plus b times a minus b. So for this, m times m plus 2 times m minus 2 plus 2 times m minus 2 equals 0. Next, here we have the common, which is m minus 2. So let's take it out. M minus 2. Then times the remaining, we have m times m plus 2 plus 2 equals 0. Next, we can multiply this m here. So this is now m minus 2 times m, that is m squared, m times 2, that is positive 2m, then plus 2 equals 0. So for this, we can have two equations. First is m minus 2 equals 0, and that is m is equal to positive 2. Another equation is m squared plus 2m plus 2 equals 0. For this, we can apply the quadratic formula to get the values of m. But let's identify first the value of a, b, and c. For a, that is 1. For b, that is 2. For c, that is 2. So the quadratic formula is m is equal to negative b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now let's solve. So m is equal to negative times b, that is positive 2. So negative times 2, positive negative square root of b, that is 2. So 2 squared minus 4 times a, that is 1, times c, that is 2, all over 2 times a, that is 1. And then m is equal to negative times 2, that is negative 2, positive negative square root of 2 squared, that is 4, negative 4 times 1 times 2, that is negative 8 or minus 8, all over 2 times 1, that is 2. Next, this is m is equal to negative 2, positive negative square root of 4 minus 8, that is negative 4, all over 2. Next, for this square root of negative 4, we can split this. And that is m is equal to negative 2, positive negative square root of 4 times square root of negative 1, all over 2. And this is m equals negative 2, positive negative square root of 4, that is 2, times the square root of negative 1, that is I. So 2i, all over 2. Then we can divide, and that is m is equal to negative 2 divided by 2, that is negative 1, positive negative 2i divided by 2. This is 1, so we have remaining I. So m is equal to negative 1, positive negative I. So we can have two values of m. So m is equal to negative 1 plus I. The other one is m is equal to negative 1 minus I. So for these two values of m, this is called as the complex solution. While earlier, we have m is equal to 2. This is our real solution. So for now, we can only consider our real solution as the value of m, which is equal to positive 2. Therefore, 3 to the power of m to the power of 3 over 9 to the power of m is equal to 81. The value of m is equal to 2. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.